You're surrounded by noise. Let me tell you what noise looks like. This might sound hypocritical, but you have vendor noise. You have your Clios and your Lawmatics. You have chatbots, right? You have all these people telling you this is the most important thing. So that's one little piece of noise. Now you have coach noise. Marketing coach is gonna say that's the most important thing. Zzz. Your leadership coach is gonna say that's the most important thing. Social media noise, team noise. Got a minute? Urgent issues. This seems to be a big one here. Pushback, resistance. Hey, we wanna do this. Nah, let's not do that today. And then you have your own internal noise. This point is pretty loud in here, right? Doubt, fear, overthinking. What if I get a bar complaint? What if I break something? What if I get a 1-star Google review? All noise. But with this much noise, it's really tough to focus on the one thing. Ignoring fires is gonna feel wrong. This is why a lot of people stay stuck at a certain level. Once you get to this level where you're all at, you're pretty big, you're gonna have noise, it's a guarantee.